Hello and welcome to the Bezilla YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Wireshark software. So you can download this software online. I will give you the link in the below description box. So for installing, just right click and see the description. This is the description, and then right click and run as an administrator. So just wait for like the windows come up. So when it comes, then click on the next button, and then you can read the agreement and then click on the next button. I'm gonna choose like the default setting, but if you want to change anything, you can choose from here, like, and then click on the next button. Here the shortcut is gonna create the shortcut in like menu, and if you wanna desktop, just check this one and then click on the next button. These are all associated extension, by the way. And then here, this is the destination where you're going to install. If you're going to install the npc file, if you want to install this one, just click on this one as well. I'm going to choose the default setting, so click on the install button, and here is the output folder, where it's gonna output file will go. So now it's installing, extracting and installing the files. Click on this license for npc cap because I choose the option, so therefore I have to install this one as well, 1.1 setup. So these are like the things. If you want to choose anything, you can choose from here. If you want a wireless support, install an npcap file, I click on this one and then next. Now installing. Once it installed, then I will open the Wireshark and tell you like how you can I can show you like how can you open the file in the Wireshark and what feature it gives. So you can see here that it's completed. Now hit the finish button. So it's gonna set up the Wireshark complete. Alright, so now I'll click on the next button. So this is completing all the Wireshark. Now I'll open the Wireshark and you can see how the Wireshark looks. So this is the Wireshark. You can analyze, you can capture the traffic from these things, Wi-Fi, and if you wanna analyze, just go to the open the PCAP file and watch my next video for like how to analyze the PCAP file. Thanks for watching the Bezilla YouTube channel. Thank you.